We are glad to welcome you. We are the Fairy World Project team. Our experience in research and development is more than 10 years, and during this time more than 200 digital products have been created, from simple websites to complex international financial systems. For example, for the Mariinsky Theater, Trampoline, House Master, Master of the Legion Academy and others. We have developed a first-of-its-kind platform for science-based games in augmented reality, which will allow you to create AR solutions for user entertainment and business promotion. We are like a Tilda constructor, only instead of AR game sites, which any user can assemble independently. We are launching AR games in recreation areas such as parks, as well as in the tourism sector. Each AR Fairyland game is a separate business that makes a profit from the sale of game tickets, advertising integrations, souvenirs, and in-game items. We appreciate your and our time, so let's get straight to the point without water. We give you the opportunity to become a co-owner of this business. At the time of recording this video, the cost of creating a full-fledged game is only $50,000. That is, $50,000 to perpetuate yourself and your business in the AR industry and become one of the first. For each game, we collect a pool in which several investors invest money, and then receives a permanent passive income from the turnover of the game. The entrance to the pool starts from $500. Pool participants receive a share of the business, which a new investor or we can buy out later with a margin of 1.5 to 2 times. Partners with a share of $25,000 become co-founders of a company that is specially opened for the AR game. We are for honesty, so all pool participants receive profit in proportion to the size of their contribution. We are launching the first game in Georgia. How will this happen? We sell tickets to souvenirs through the distribution system. Users go through a demo game and buy game time. Advertisers buy advertising integrations. The money is credited to the company's account. The income from the game is divided into several parts: promotion expenses, game management, prize fund. Pool investors receive 25% of the turnover of the entire game every week. Why is BP being invested profitably now? Did you know that augmented reality is one of the most dynamically developing areas in the current decade? Large corporations, such as Google, Apple, Facebook, invest huge amounts of money in the development of AR products and interfaces. Technologies and capabilities of AR are rapidly improving. We are on the threshold of mass production of augmented reality glasses. Every year, more and more capital enters the augmented reality application market and more users become available. This is the same as being at the origins of writing cryptocurrencies. Our main advantage is that we are creating not just a mobile game like Pokemon Go or Harry Potter, but an entire ecosystem where users can create their own AR worlds, games, quests, and monetize them. And businesses at the expense of AR tools will stand out in the market and will be able to tell about their offer in a unique way, as well as promote their product or service through the digital world. Remember in the 2010 year after the release of smartphones, what an incredible growth of the business of creating applications in Google Play App Stores was. Absolutely the same story will happen after the release of augmented reality glasses. Every business will want to integrate with this technology, and we give this opportunity. Thanks to the AR game design platform, we can refine and improve the game 24/7. Add products and services of advertisers, add new game mechanics to increase ticket sales from the average receipt. Now we are launching the first tourist format Arogra in Georgia. An air tour of the sites in Tbilisi. The tourist ceiling in Georgia for 2022 year was more than 5.5 million people. Even if we cover less than 1% of this flow, then according to the business plan, the annual income of pool investors will be more than $49,000. It turns out that we expect the payback of the pool to be 1 year. And by the way, the yield is 100% per annum. Investors will start making a profit this fall, and we have already collected $30,000 out of 50 in the first pool and are giving you the opportunity to join the pool. You can purchase a share of the pool at a cost of $500, thereby securing your ownership of the business in order to receive passive income after launching the game, or you can earn by reselling your share. The first 4 pools for the Arogri business cost $50,000, the next 6 pools will cost $75,000, and then $100,000 each. Therefore, by buying a share now, you get a liquid asset that in the future you can resell for 1.5 to 2 times more expensive. Find out the availability of seats in the pool from the manager and see you soon in Fairyland.